Hello, my name is Marcin Lisowski and I would like to tell you in a few words about types of the ultrasound probe. So let's begin. Linear probe are characterized by straight frontal line, just saying the ultrasound wave is sent perpendicularly and the image obtained on the screen is a rectangular shape. Linear probe are characterized by frequency from 2 to 22 MHz. Some companies produce probe even over 30 MHz. Linear probe penetration of rather shallow structures, maximum 14 cm. Also, we use this probe for Doppler examination. A distinction between linear probe are for Doppler examination, we use up to 11 MHz, more or less. For general examination about 14 MHz, and for examination of surface structure, high frequency is around 19, 22. Some companies propose even more megahertz. I can say a lot about this type of probes, but not about it now, so go next. Convex probe, unlike in the linear probe, are characterized that the crystal is arranged in the arc and the obtained image is a segment of the circle with an angle about 60-70 degrees. Convex is widely used thanks to its height penetration, even 40 centimeters. The frequencies depends on the producer, usually from 1 to 6 or even 8 MHz. We basic work here with harmonics frequencies which improve penetration and image quality. The scanning angle can often be extended to even 100 degrees. Phase array or sector probe. The main purpose of this probe is cardiology and transcranial examination, TECCD. The signal is sent from one point, so that helps ultrasound beam pass the patient ribs. In addition to image in B mode, we use all available types of modes: M mode, continuous wave Doppler, pulsar wave Doppler, and so on. The frequencies are usually from 1 to 5 MHz for adult with 90-degree field of view, and up to 9 MHz for children, and even 13 MHz for neonatal examination. For smaller patients, the size of the footprint also changed to a smaller one. Microconvex and endovaginal probes. This probe are group of the convex. They are characterized by a curved footprints with a reduced field of view approximately 9 mm. The image on the screen is similar to that on the convex probe. It can be said that the endoprobe is a microconvex on the long stick. Microconvex is mainly used for pediatric and neonatal examination, endo for gynecological and fetal examination, also for urological application. Frequency from 3 to 11 MHz and field of view are up to 200 degrees. Transrectal probe, TRT, it has two acoustic lenses, often in the arrangement line probe, convex probe. There are variety of TRT probes on the market and depend on the producer. It has a different length of arrangement. It can be convex linear or convex convex. Mainly used for urologists, for prostate examination and biopsy, often with the biopsy attachment. Frequencies more or less from 2 to 12 MHz for convex and up to 13 MHz for linear probe. Volumetric probes. Depending on the exam, you can find different types of 3D, 4D probes. Linear, convex, the most common probes for fetal examination. Endo are also often seen for fetal examination, and the fourth type of probe for volume sectors for heart application. The crystal are do the automatic electronic movement and get the 3D, 4D projection on the screen. In addition, modern ultrasound systems have a lot of post-processing options to show the fetus better. The last group include a special probe. Linear Hockey probe, usually from high frequency, mainly for rheumatological and orthopedical examination. Laparoscopic interoperative examination, the same image shape as from linear probe. TE, transesophageal cardiography for heart examination, and EC, intracardiac for specialist cardiologist examination. This is in the great brief. I know there are many different other possibilities with probes. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, please contact me. My name is Marcin Lisowski, and you can find me on LinkedIn, or you can write me an email if you want. If you have any question, I'll be happy to help. Thank you and bye.